Learners need to be equipped for the future. It's easy to create data, but they also need to know how to understand and use this data. It helps them to make decisions informed by facts and figures, solve everyday problems, and understand the world as it is right now and how it's evolving.
At first I thought that data skills might just be useful if a learner was interested in jobs in maths or technology, but I can see how data literacy might be useful in other areas too.
Exactly, because data is everywhere. Being data literate means you can think critically about the data you may be presented with in the media or online, and are able to realise when facts and charts may have been used in a way that is biased towards certain groups of people. To be a data literate person means you can use data to fix real-life problems in your school or community.
What makes a learner data literate?
When we talk about teaching data literacy, we're talking about teaching learners the core skills that, when taken together, enable a person to be data literate. These skills include asking critical questions, thinking about how to collect or find the data needed to answer the question, analysing data and seeing patterns in the data, and drawing conclusions or answering questions using data.
I think I may have taught some of these skills to learners already.
Yes, it's likely that you have. Many of these data skills are already embedded in Scotland's curriculum. For example, when learners are taught food and health, understanding nutritional information and food journeys, which are data. This provides the opportunity to ask questions about how food impacts our environment. Information handling is part of the numeracy curriculum and includes collecting data and thinking about how to present it.
In social studies, we are presented with data about past or current social and political issues. We have to analyze it, looking for patterns or drawing conclusions, such as how has Scotland's population size changed over time.
Teaching data literacy helps learners deepen and secure their learning across the whole of the curriculum.
If you've found this lesson useful, then please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more videos on this topic. Check out some of the other videos that we've been working on.